Hello, my name is Melissa from the Kokomo-Howard County Public Library, and I'm here today to show you some special features and some hidden gems that you can find in our library records for some of your favorite books. So, if you ever want to find a read alike for a book that you really enjoyed, or you just want to find out other authors by other authors that write similarly to that particular author, this is how you're going to go about doing it. So first you're going to type in the name of the book that you want that you're comparing to. So if I do Starless Sea, type that in, I see the book that I was looking for. It's called The Starless Sea by Erin Morgenstern. And you can see the different formats that we have, large print, audio, all of that. That's the difference between these different versions. So I'm just going to click on the book here. And you can find out what the book's about right there, how many pages, all of that, where we have it. But what I want to point out is the different categories down here. We have more information where you can always find more information on the book, including like the different subjects. You can see what others who have read the book are borrowing as well. If you go to the related content here, you can find books that if you enjoyed this book, you might want to give some of these a try. And the neat thing about all of this information is it tells you a little bit why. So when you hover over this why this match right here, it'll say these books are this particular one is both books are romantic and lush, and they have the theme to the rescue, and the genres fantasy fiction and multiple perspectives in common. They also have subjects magic, quests, wizards, and have characters that are complex and authentic. So that's why they're recommending it. Now, all of this information is pulled from a database the library owns that's called Novelist Select, and it is actually a companion to our novelist database. And it is a great database for finding out what books to read next if you really liked something. But all of these books, it'll tell you why these books were matched with this one. You can arrow over and you can see a whole host of different books that are coming up as comparisons. If one of these looks appealing to you, you can go ahead and you can click on it and you can see what this book is all about, pages and all the information about it, where you can find it. And again, you can go to the related content and you can find more books like that. So you can just keep going and exploring forever. So this one has, because this book is a series, it has series read alikes as well as titles and authors. So if you want to go to author read alikes, it'll tell you why these particular authors were matched with this particular book. And this is the one that the author that we came from, the Starless Sea one. And she also wrote The Night Circus as well. So you can see why these books had that in common, why they the reasons for those matches. So that's all under this related content tab. If there had been any reviews or ratings, you can read the reviews. These reviews, it looks like several of them are pulled from Goodreads. So you can read reviews about this book. You can see why this title appeals to readers. And appeal in novelist refers to the feel of the book. In this case, this book is unconventional. The tone is atmospheric, romantic, mystical, and moving. And the writing style is lush, lyrical, richly detailed, and compelling. So those are all the reasons why people might like it. Now, the other thing this will give you is a chance to see what lists like and awards it won. You can also find book discussion guides and other additional recommended reads for this particular book. Any of these links will take you to information here. You can see that this appeared on a library reads list, which is a list that comes out monthly that recommends different books coming to libraries soon. This was on the Lone Star Favorites list. If I want a book discussion guide, all I have to do is click right there, and I have my own book discussion guide for this book as well. So, not every book has the same features. Different books will have different features, but it's fun to explore and see. And if you're ever looking for what to read next, this is a great place to start.